లాస్ట్ వీడియోలో అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ పాస్ట్ సింపుల్ ఐ స్టడీడ్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అవుతుంది, ప్రెజెంట్ సింపుల్ ఐ స్టడీ ఇంగ్లీష్ అవుతుంది, మరి ఫ్యూచర్ సింపుల్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఆన్సర్ ఐ విల్ స్టడీ ఇంగ్లీష్ అవుతుంది. దీనికి కరెక్ట్ ఆన్సర్ చెప్పింది దుర్గా ప్రసాద్ గారు. కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్, యు ఆర్ రైట్, కీప్ ఇట్ అప్ లైక్ దిస్ వే. అలాగే ఈ వీడియో ఎండింగ్ లో కూడా ఒక ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఉండబోతుంది, సో ప్లీజ్ వాచ్ టిల్ ది ఎండ్. By the end of this video, you are going to feel confident with all areas of your English. Because in this video, we are going to learn 50 different questions that are used in our day-to-day life. You will improve your listening skills, reading and speaking as well. And all of this will help you feel confident speaking English in public. హాయ్ ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ స్టైలిష్ గ్రామర్. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. అందరూ బాగున్నారు అనుకుంటున్నాను, అందులో నేను కూడా బాగున్నాను. ఇంకేమాత్రం లేట్ చేయకుండా వీడియో స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. లెట్స్ బిగిన్. ఫ్రెండ్స్, ప్రతి సెంటెన్స్ నేను చెప్పాక నా వెనక మీరు రిపీట్ చేయండి. తద్వారా మీ నోటికి అలవాటు అవుతుంది, మీరు మాట్లాడినప్పుడు ఫ్లూయెన్సీ వస్తుంది. కుదిరినంత వరకు బయటికి గట్టిగా చదవడం చేయండి. కుదరని పక్షంలో అట్లీస్ట్ మనసులోనైనా అనుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ. వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ టుడే? వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ టుమారో? వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ నెక్స్ట్ వీక్? వాట్ ఆర్ యూ డూయింగ్ టునైట్? వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ డూ యూ వాంట్? వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ మీల్ డూ యూ వాంట్? What kind of dinner do you want? What kind of lunch do you want? Are you busy this afternoon? Are you available this afternoon? Are you free this afternoon? Are you doing anything this afternoon? Are you kidding? Are you joking? Are you serious? Are you for real? Are you going out tonight? Are you going out tomorrow? Are you going out today? Are you going out later? Are you here on vacation? Are you here on business? Are you here on holiday? Are you here on tour? What are your interests? What are your hobbies? What are your tastes? What are your pursuit? What's wrong with that? What's the problem with that? What's the matter with that? What's so bad with that? Do you have to get up early? Do you have to arise early? Do you have to wake up early? Do you have to get out of bed early? Are you free Saturday afternoon? Are you available Saturday afternoon? Are you around Saturday afternoon? Are you busy Saturday afternoon? Can you turn it in tomorrow? Can you turn it in next week? Can you turn it in later? Can you turn it in now? What time will you be back by? What time will you return? What time will you come back? What time will you be in? What's wrong with him? What's the matter with him? What's the problem with him? What's bothering him? When did you place the order? When did you make the order? When did you call in the order? When did you reserve the order? Do you speak Chinese? Do you speak English? Can you tell me how to get there? Can you show me how to get there? Can you help me how to get there? Can you point out to me how to get there? Is this your house? Is this your apartment? Is this your residence? Is this your property? Is Dr. Cobb in? Is Dr. Cobb available? Is Dr. Cobb here? Is Dr. Cobb around? Is it an emergency? Is it an urgent? Is it an serious? Is it an critical? Were there any difficulties for you? Were there any problems for you? Were there any complications for you? Were there any obstacles for you? Do you even have an excuse? Do you even have a reason? Do you even have an explanation? Do you even have an alibi? Did you have a dog when you were growing up? Did you have a dog when you were little? Did you have a dog when you were small? Did you have a dog when you were a child? Who do you think we will play against? Who do you think we will compete against? Who do you think we will go against? Who do you think we will contend against? Do you know why he is sick? Do you know why he is ill? Do you know why he is not well? Do you know why he is unhealthy? Did you see the newspaper today? Did you hear the radio today? Did you see the news today? Did you see the TV today? Anyone up for a drink? Anyone want a drink? Anyone interested in a drink? Anyone ready for a drink? How many more words are there left to count? How many more ballots are there left to count? How many more tickets are there left to count? Have you put anything in the car? Have you put anything in the van? Have you put anything in the truck? Have you put anything in the bus? Did you get this dinner invitation from the company? Did you get this letter from the company? Did you get this movie ticket from the company? Did you get this announcement from the company? Are you sure you want to turn down the company invitation? Are you sure you want to reject the company invitation? Are you sure you want to refuse the company invitation? Are you sure you want to decline the company invitation? Did the doctor even have a guess? Did the doctor even have a theory? Did the doctor even have an idea? Did the doctor even have a clue? Do you have any idea where we are right now? Do you have any idea where we are at this time? Do you have any idea where we are at this moment? Do you have any idea where we are currently? What motive did he have? What reason did he have? What cause did he have? What incentive did he have? How long have they been dating? How long have they been together? How long have they been going out? How long have they been seeing each other? Is this a good time to speak with you? Is it all right to speak with you? Can I speak with you? Do you mind if I speak with you? Are you going back to college now? Are you coming back to college now? Are you beginning college now? Are you returning to college now? Is this seat taken? Is this seat occupied? Is this seat reserved? Is this seat being used? Why didn't you say something earlier? Why didn't you speak up earlier? Why didn't you mention this earlier? Why didn't you say so earlier? Are you finished with that newspaper? Are you done with that newspaper? Are you still using that newspaper? Are you reading that newspaper? How do you like working here so far? How do you like working here up to now? How do you like working here at this moment? How do you like working here thus far? Could you pick some up on the way back home? Could you get some on the way back home? Could you buy some on the way back home? Could you grab some on the way back home? Why do they do it that way? Why do they do it like that? Why do they do it in such a manner? Why do they do it in such a fashion? Do you think schools can be run for free? Do you think schools can be maintained for free? Do you think schools can be operated for free? Do you think schools can function for free? Why don't we go later in the year? Why don't we go later on in the year? Why don't we go earlier in the year? Why don't we go sometime in the year? How often does that happen in a game? How often does that occur in a game? How often does that take place in a game? How often does that come about in a game? And you believed him? And you trusted him? And you agreed with him? And you accepted what he said? Why are you so sad, honey? Why are you so gloom, honey? Why are you so down, honey? Why are you so depressed, honey? How about I book a flight for the 22nd? How about I reserve a flight for the 22nd? How about I schedule a flight for the 22nd? How about I select a flight for the 22nd? What seems to be the trouble? What seems to be the problem? What seems to be the difficulty? What seems to be the concern? I know, you are waiting for the question. This video's question: which is the oldest game in the world? Options: A. Cricket, B. Football, C. Wrestling, D. Ludo. మీకు ఆన్సర్ తెలుసు అనుకుంటున్నాను. వెంటనే కామెంట్స్లో చెప్పండి. తెలియకపోతే నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో స్టార్టింగ్లో దీని ఆన్సర్ రివీల్ చేస్తాను, అక్కడ చూద్దాం. చివరి వరకు చూసినందుకు ధన్యవాదాలు. ఈ వీడియో మీకు యూస్ఫుల్ అండ్ ఇన్ఫర్మేటివ్గా అనిపించినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరికీ ఈ వీడియో షేర్ చేసుకొని మీ నాలెడ్జ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేసుకోండి. మీరు ఫస్ట్ టైం కానీ నా వీడియో చూస్తున్నట్టయితే మరెన్నో వీడియోస్ పొందేందుకు ఇప్పుడే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఆప్షన్ ఆల్లో పెట్టుకుంటే నేను ఎప్పుడైతే వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తానో ఫస్ట్ మీకే నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. మనం మళ్ళీ ఇంకొక మంచి వీడియోలో కలుసుకుందాం ఫ్రెండ్స్. అంతవరకు టేక్ కేర్. ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ టు ఆల్. బాయ్. మీ సెల్ ఫోన్లో ఉన్న యూట్యూబ్ యాప్ ఓపెన్ చేయండి. పైన కనిపిస్తున్న సెర్చ్ బాక్స్లో స్టైలిష్ గ్రామర్ టైప్ చేయండి. ఐకాన్ పక్కన ఉన్న స్టైలిష్ గ్రామర్ ఛానల్ పైన క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఛానల్ హోమ్ పేజ్ ఓపెన్ అవుతుంది. వీడియోస్లో మీకు స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ సంబంధించిన వీడియోస్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. షార్ట్స్లో గ్రామర్ రిలేటెడ్ టాపిక్స్ అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. ప్లేలిస్ట్లో మీరు ఓపెన్ చేస్తే మీకు నచ్చిన కేటగిరీ చూసుకోవచ్చు.